So just today, or maybe a few days ago, a remastered version of the NES game Duck Hunt was actually released, but it was released for the PS Vita. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install it, and we will be testing out some gameplay of the new remastered version of Duck Hunt. So what you guys want to do if you want to go and get this game, you just want to go and start up Vita Shell. Obviously we need to connect this to our PC, so just go and press select, go and connect it, and I will show you guys what to do from there. So once you guys are on your computer, I will leave a link to the Duck Hunt remake in the description of this video. This is version 1.0, so I'm pretty sure it's the first version, and in the description it just says a clone of Duck Hunt, the popular classic NES game for the PS Vita or PS TV. So if you guys want to get this, scroll down and just click on download VPK like normal. This is then just going to start downloading the VPK into our downloads folder. Now it's around 30 megabytes, so a pretty small game, but of course we're going to install it and play it. So let's just go to our downloads, and here mine is, the Duck Hunt remake. So what we're going to do is just drag and drop this to the root of our PS Vita. And now that is literally it for the PC, so let's just wait a few seconds to copy across. Now let's go back onto our PS Vita, let's install this, and let's test out some gameplay. Okay, so let's go and install the Duck Hunt VPK. It should be on our UXO or wherever you copied it to. So I'm just going to scroll down and find mine. Here it is, Duck Hunt Remake. Let's just press X on this a few times and it's just going to start installing. Okay, so once it has done installing, let's just close out Vita Shell and let's go and find it. So here it is, the Duck Hunt Remake. Apparently this is very good, so let's go and test this out right now. I have played the original NES version. I can't remember when I played it. As you can see, it's got 1984 Nintendo and then 2019 Lappy Games. That is the guy or team that made it. I don't know if it's one person. But yeah, let's just start it up and see what it's like. So here it is. So yeah, I have played this before, and right now this does actually look a lot better, to be fair. It looks really good quality. So if you don't know what Duck Hunt is, you basically just have to shoot the ducks. You have to like shoot all of them to win the round. You just use the analog sticks, it looks like on this, and you press X when you're aiming at the duck to shoot it. I don't know if you can tap the screen. We can try, I guess. Let's try. Oh, you can tap the screen. Oh, that's a lot easier then. So yeah, it looks pretty good. The graphics of it are actually really nice. If you're a fan of classic Nintendo games, this might be something that you really like, to be fair. It's actually pretty good already. Oh, it has sound as well. Let me turn up the sound. So there you go, got the original sounds in as well. This is actually a really nice remake of the NES version. I don't know if there are other remakes of this for like different like consoles and stuff, maybe for like PC. There probably are, but this one's very good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, just Duck Hunt. It's a basic game, but I just wanted to make a quick video on this. I thought it was pretty cool, wanted to showcase this guy's work, get him some more downloads on his game, and yeah, it's pretty cool. If you want to get a remade version of Duck Hunt, make sure to go to the link in the description. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.